expanding binomial products. Alrighty. So, what are these binomial and products? Binomial means two. Yeah? Two term, two kind of like expressions. Two expressions or terms. Product means multiplication. Yeah. So as an example, yeah, something like x plus 3, x plus 5. That is a binomial product. Can you see x plus 3 expression and x plus 5 expression? In the middle, we don't write it, but there's a multiplication in the middle. So this x plus 3 and x plus 5, we are trying to multiply them together. Yeah. So what's going to happen is we need to use something called FOIL method. FOIL method means, yeah, front both of them you multiply. Yeah. O means outer. That means outside here and outside here. Yeah. I means inside, and then L means last two people. Yeah. So rather than thinking like that, I always remember first term times first term times second term times first term, second term times second term. Easy to think like that. Yeah. So first term times first term. That means x times x. How much is that?
X square.
X square. Then first term times second term.
5x.
5x. Second term times first term.
3x.
Then second term times second term.
15.
Alrighty. Then we got x square 5x plus 3x. How much is that, sir?
8x.
Plus 15. Why did I do like that? Because this is called a x square term. This is a x term. The English letter is x. This is also x term. Ah, they are likely terms. That's why we put these two together. Can you see? This is a x term. This is a x term. This is totally different. That's a x square term. And just a number means what? It's a constant term. Constant term. That's totally different. Does that make sense? So the two x terms got together. X square term is different. Constant term is different. Got the idea, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you quickly, nicely write that down? And after that, do this question. X minus 4, x plus 7, and then 2x minus 1 and x minus 6, 5x minus 2, and 3x plus 7. Here you go. This is what I want you to do. Quickly do it. While I'm doing it, I'll go to the washroom and come back here.
Okay.
Let me know once you're done.
Yeah, Joseph.
You're done?
Hey, Joseph.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. You're done?
Yeah.
Okay, what are the answers?
X squared plus 3x minus 28.
Yeah. Next one.
2x squared plus 11x plus 6.
That's wrong. Let's have a look. Write down the correct steps. It's just a small somewhere wrong. 2x times x, that's a 2x squared. 2x times negative 6, that's a negative, because positive times negative is negative. 2 times 6 is 12x. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. Then negative 1 times negative 6, negative times negative is positive. 1 times 6 is 6. So then you got negative 2x squared negative 12x and a negative 1x, that's a negative 13x plus 6.
Oh,
Anything which you don't understand? Why I did it? How I got it?
no.
Where did you go wrong?
I did from 11x and negative 1x, I did positive 11x.
11x and, oh, you mean 12x? Negative 12 and a negative 1.
Yeah, made it 11.
Okay, remember it like this, okay? How did that become negative 13? This is how you should remember, okay? This is something which one of the, I went for like a teacher's thing, and we were talking about kids find these negative positive numbers very hard. Then my idea, you know, that three golden rules, right? So I'm always open to other people's ideas as well. This is something which they said, and it was so easy rather than the three golden rules. What he said was like this. Yeah. Let's say that you got a negative 5 and a positive 7. That means in a ballroom dance, normally ballroom dance, we dance like what? A pairs, like opposite gender pairs. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there are 5 girls and 7 boys. What will be the result? 2 gentlemen will remain without dancing. Yeah. Because end of the day, what will happen? Yeah. 5 girls and 5 boys will get together. They will go and dance. 2 people will be left out. 2 boys will be left out. But if you had a negative 5, sorry, positive 5 and a negative 7, that means 5 gentlemen were there, 7 ladies were there. What will happen? 5 gentlemen will get 5 ladies and get out, 2 ladies will be left out. Yeah. But if you had 5 ladies and 7 ladies, what will happen? Oh shit! Nobody will dance. All 12 ladies will be left in the floor without dancing. Same deal with 5 gentlemen and 7 gentlemen. Yeah, none of them will dance. Now, definitely, I made up the story about the ballroom. The bugger was saying about dating apps, but yeah, that is not something which I can talk in the class, right? So
Mm.
yeah, ballroom dance sounds more, yeah, okay, compared to like in a dating app how people get matches. No, that is not okay to be taught in a studying environment. Anyway, let's move on. So what happened was 12 ladies and 1 lady, 13 ladies will be left out. Okay, there we go. What is the answer?
15x squared
Hmm.
minus 20x,
I think maybe have a look at
29x.
it again. Have a look at it again and tell me the final answer. Let me write down, let's write down the first explanation. 15x square is correct. 5x times 7x, that's a 35x. Yeah. 2x and a 3x, negative 2 and a positive 3, that's a negative 6x. Negative 2 times positive 7, that's a negative 14. I think you can simplify from there. Tell me the final answer, sir.
But that's what I did.
Okay, fine. Now do the simplification properly.
So 15x squared.
Mhm.
Oh no, I put negative 29x. It's meant to be positive 29x.
Mm.
Mm.
Are you now okay? Did you understand where you went wrong, sir?
Yeah.
Next one. Expanding, yeah, perfect squares. Expanding perfect squares. So, what is a perfect square? Yeah. Perfect square means anything to the whole squares. So, as an example, 2 square is a perfect square. 2 square means what? 2 times 2. 3 square means what? 3 times 3. Yeah. So then x minus 2 to the whole square means what? Please remember, x minus 2 to the whole square is never x square minus 2 square. That is wrong. That is wrong. I have seen students doing it, and that's totally wrong. What do they do? They just say, okay, let's put the 2 and 2 here. No, 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 no. There is a minus in the middle, not a multiplication. You can't use power of a power there. you have to write it expand, like make the correct explanation. X minus 2 to the whole square means x minus 2 times x minus 2. Yeah? X minus 2 times x minus 2 means x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Negative 2x and a negative 2x, we know that's a negative. Two girls and two girls, four girls are there. And a positive. Got the idea?
Yeah.
Okay. If you got that idea, quickly do these two. 2x plus 3 to the perfect square and 5x minus 4 to the perfect square. Finish.
Hey Joseph,
Yeah, that's my name.
I'm done.
Cool. Mm. Okay, sir. What did you get?
X squared plus 12x plus 9.
X square plus. No, not x squared. This is a 2x plus 3. Think about it again.
Oh no, I didn't bring it down. 4x, that's my, yeah, 4x squared plus 12x plus 9.
4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Yeah, that sounds correct. Next one.
Then 2x squared negative 40x plus 16. Yeah. So,
Sorry?
I'm checking one thing. Sorry. No, wait, I think. One sec. 25x squared. I keep making the same mistake. It's 25x squared.
25x squared
25x squared minus 40 plus 16.
minus 40
Minus
plus.
40x minus 40x.
Can you say the last one? Plus what there?
16.
16. That's wrong. Ah, no, wait. Plus 16. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay. Next one. Let's write down expanding difference of two squares. And here, how can I say it? Spotting it. Spotting them. So you need to spot it. Like as soon as you see it, you should be like, that is difference of two squares. Yeah. What is this spotting means? What do I mean by that? If you ever see, two brackets are there, yeah, where it looks like same term, 2x here, 2x here, maybe a 5 here, 5 here, but one of the brackets got a plus and the other bracket got a minus, or one of the brackets got a minus and the other bracket got a plus. The only difference is one of them is plus, one of them is minus, or one of them is minus, one of them is plus. The symbols are different in the middle, but apart from that, everything else is exactly same. That type of a moment we call it difference of two squares. What does it mean by difference of two squares? Yeah, actually, when you expand it, you will understand it more clearly than what it sounds at the moment. Yeah, so let's expand it together. 2x times 2x, how much is that, sir?
4x squared.
4x squared. 2x times negative 5x.
10x. No, negative 10x.
Negative 10x. Positive 5 times 2x.
10x.
Positive 10x. And then positive times by negative 5.
Negative 25.
Negative 25. Then what will happen? Negative 10x and a positive 10x will cancel off, and you will have leftover of how much? 4x squared minus 25. Or in other words, Rishan, yeah, 4x squared means what? 2x to the whole square is a 4x square, and 25 means 5 to the whole square. Can you see? Difference means minus of two square terms. Minus of two square terms. Difference of two squares. So if you ever see even x plus 2, x minus 2, yeah, you can definitely see both terms are exactly same apart from plus and minus in the middle. Those type of moments you don't have to expand it, you can straight away write first terms square, second term square, and a minus in the middle, difference of two squares. X square is x square,
But ne-
2 square is a 4. That's it. You don't have to go through the whole entire expanding process. You can straight away write it down saying that this is difference of two squares. Did that make sense to you?
yeah,
Are you sure?
yes.
Okay. Then let's do
But
another.
but won't positive 2 and negative 2 cancel out?
Yeah, that's the reason. No, yeah, of course, positive 2x and negative 2x will cancel off. That's the reason we don't have x terms. But positive 2 times negative 2, that's a negative 4. That's why this negative 4 is left.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, can you see here? Positive 10x and negative 10x cancels out. But yeah, 5x times negative 5x is negative 25 is left.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's happening. So, can you work out this one? Straight away, you can write the answer. Nothing to wait about. Same term, but plus minus is the only difference. So, what will you do? You will like write square here, minus here. Who is your first term here?
3y,
What is your second term here?
2x.
So, 3y to the whole square minus 2x to the whole square. Then you can tell me what is 3 square and y square?
9y square,
Minus 2 square x square.
4x square.
Perfect. That's the answer. Got it? This is how we
Yeah.
do difference of two squares. 5x minus
So on
4.
the test, will it say difference of two squares?
No, they will ask you expand the bracket and give you something like this. Then you should be able to identify, this is a difference of two squares. Like this. If you even expand it normally, you will get the same final answer. But then the problem is, then your teacher knows that you don't know your work. Yeah. Because
Yeah.
when you see this, you should be able to spot it and straight away say, this is difference of two squares. Nothing to worry about that. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Quickly do this question for me.
Where is the first one? 25x square.
Sorry.
Is it 25x square?
25x square, okay.
And then negative 16.
Yeah. Difference of two squares. Difference means minus, and you write two squares in either side. Yeah. And what are the two squares? 5x is the first term, 4 is the second term. So 25x square and a minus 16. Perfect. All good, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me maybe give you another one more question. Now, this is an interesting one. Okay. Do these two questions and then we will jump to the. Once you're done with the answers, still let me know.
Hey Joseph.
Yeah, that's my name.
Uh, first one is 64x square minus 9y square.
64x square minus y square. Okay.
And then other one is 81x square
Mm-hmm.
minus 16y square.
Perfect. So how do we detect a difference of two squares? Both brackets are exactly same except one of the brackets got a negative and the other bracket got a positive. Yeah.
Yeah.
That remember, if you ever have a 8x minus 3y and a 8x another minus 3y, is this a difference of two squares? Hell no. This is a what? This is a perfect square. 8x minus 3y to the whole square movement. On those cases, what do? We do the normal expanding just like what we did at the very beginning of today's lesson. Make sense?
Yeah.
Please remember, they all look alike sometimes, but they are not same. Okay, next one. Yeah. Find in highest common factor. Yeah. What does it mean by find in highest common factor? That means we are trying to figure out. Now, when two terms are given to us, we try to think about out of the numbers given, what is the biggest number both these numbers can get divided with? We got
No, I
a
know highest common factor.
okay. So what is it?
So it has to be 2.
Mm-hmm. That's it. And then we think about the terms given. There's a 1a here, and here there's a and a b. I can take a 1a out of both. Am I right? So highest
Yeah.
common factor is 2a.
Oh.
2a. Yeah. So 3x square and 6xy. What can I take out?
You can take both 3x and 6x. What does so does it become 9x?
No. That's the thing. You were not listening to me. No, you were saying that you know it. No, you don't know it. That's the problem you have. Okay, look here. This is what's happening. Okay. 6a means what, Rishan? 6a means 6 means a composite number of 2 times 3. Am I right? 2 times
Yeah.
3 with a a. 8a means 2 times by 2 times by 2, that's a 8, and a ab. How do I know that? If you can remember, when we were small, we used to learn 8 can get divided by 2, that's a 4, 4 can get divided by 2, that's a 2, 2 can get divided by 2, that's a 1. 2 to the power of 3. Can you see that? 2 times 2
Yeah.
times 3. That's how I know it. Now, after that, Rishan, what we do is inside our brain, this whole process should work inside your brain. Yeah, you can detect that both of these expressions got a 2 in common. Both of these expressions got a in common. Can you see that? So the
Yeah.
highest common factor will be 2a from here, 2a from here. So both of them got a 2a in common. 2a in common. Not 2 times 2, not a times a. The people who both of them got in common, you write it together. Do you get it? That means something like the first term contributes a 2a, even second term contributes a 2a. Together they become a 2a. Do you get it? Something like that. What are the things they both have in common? That's what we are trying to find. Yep. So now 3x square means what? 3xx. 6xy means what? 2 times 3 times xy. Okay, you tell me now. What are the things they both have in common?
3 and x.
So 3x is your highest common factor. Did you understand it, sir?
Yeah.
Very well. No problems at all.
Yeah.
Hmm. Now, if we have a 40x square y and a negative 16 xy squared. Yeah. What do we do? Yeah. Now, these are two different terms. Yeah. The first term doesn't have a negative, so you don't have to worry about the positive or negative. Only if the first term got negative, then we need to worry about the negatives. Yeah. 40. 40 means 2 times by 2 times by 2 times by 5. And x square means x times y. Negative 16 means 2 times by 2 times by 2 times by 2. That's a 16. X, y, y. What are the things they both have in common, Vishan? We can see 3 2's here. I can take 3 2's here. Can you see
Why
that?
x? Why?
Because x, y square.
Oh yeah.
I can see a x, I can see a x, I can see a y, I can see a y. Is there anything else both of them I can take out? No. So now let's say that they were not even asking us to do highest common factor, they were asking us to do factorization. So whom did you take out in common? You took out a 2 and a 2 and a 2, that's a 8, and an x and a y, 8xy. Then inside the bracket, what is left? From the first bracket, you are left over with a 5x minus, from the second bracket, you are left over with a 2y. This is what we call factorizing.
Yeah.
Did you understand it, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, can you quickly? Okay, no. Can you quickly factorize this guy? Negative 8 x square minus 12xy. Yeah, remember, because the first term got a negative, you take a negative out for sure. Or in other words, we can write down. Then you will see both of them got a negative, so the negative comes out. Yeah. So negative 2 times by 2 times by 2 times by x times by x minus 2 times by 2 times by 3 times by x. Okay, factorize it quickly
Yeah.
and then you can go.
Wait. Can you show the other example as well?
Sorry?
The other example, no. Let us see here. Okay. I think in Korea is x. Hey Joseph.
Yeah.
So it's 4x and then then bracket x negative 3.
No, dear. You can see negative here, negative here. You can take a negative 4x out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then once you take a negative out, both of them, both these negatives will become positive. You get it?
Okay.
So 4x from here goes out, 4x from here goes out, and the negative and negative also goes out. Yeah. So you are left over with what? 2x plus 3.
So it's okay.
Yeah. Because always remember, if you expand it back, negative 4x times 2x, that's a negative 8x square. Negative 4x times positive 3, that's a negative 12x. That should happen. Always think backwards as well. If you expand it, can I go back to the top number? If you can go, that means you have done it correct. If you can't go, that means something somewhere wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. I'll see you tomorrow, 6:30. That's easy. It's hard to wake up at 6 o'clock.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. So half
How?
an hour again.
Oh.
All
Okay.
right. Cool. Easy.
Same.
And I will be sending you now homework. I want them to get done by tomorrow.
Okay.
Or like not tomorrow, by today. So I can check it and keep it for you tomorrow. Okay, sir? Okay.
Yeah.
See you then. Bye bye.
Keep a little bit manageable because I have stuff after school. So
No, don't talk nonsense. Alrighty, see you.
bye.
Bye.